Welcome to Filmora 60-second, no more in a short time. In this video, we'll teach you how to make slow-motion videos on Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels is a feature that lets users create short videos consisting of multiple photos or clips placed together in order of their choice. The Reels can be created from posts made by the user, as well as from the user's camera roll containing photos and videos taken before. These can even be edited further to add some filters or text to them. Once you're done creating a reel, you can share it on your Instagram story for friends and followers to see. To understand how to make slow-motion video on Instagram Reels, follow these steps. First, launch the Instagram app and swipe right to reach the camera page. Alternatively, you could tap the story button in the top left corner. Now tap Reels in the bottom panel beside Story. You can select the time from here. The maximum time allowed is 90 seconds for a reel. When recording a slow-motion video on Reels, you need to set the speed before you record the video. To do so, tap the speed button below your selected photo or clip on Reels and select either 0.3x or 0.5x from the two options. Tap the camera button beside the speed button to take a test shot and see if you're satisfied with the speed. If not, either change it or tap the X on top to cancel this particular video. Once you're happy with your speed, tap on the red record button next to it to start recording your slow-motion video. You can also pinch inwards or outwards while watching a slow-motion video to adjust what you see in its frame at a particular time. To stop recording, click on the red button. You can see a preview by clicking on the preview button. If you're okay with the video, click Next. Now share it with the Reels. How to record only part of a video in slow motion on Reels. On Instagram, you can record a video in slow motion. You can even go further and record only a portion of your video in slow motion while the rest plays at an average speed rate. This gives an interesting effect to your videos where you'd want some parts to be played at normal speed and others played in slow motion. In this way, you can create exciting reels that will make people notice what they're all about. To do this, go to the Instagram camera or story page and select Reels option. You'll have the choice to speed up or slow down various portions of the video or audio by selecting the speed as in the previous section. For instance, if you want the first 20 seconds of video to be a slow motion at the speed of 0.3x, then select as shown below. And record the video till 40 seconds are left and stop. Now select speed 1x for the rest of the video and record a complete video. This video will be in slow motion for the first 20 seconds, and the rest of the video will play at normal speed. You can see the preview by clicking Preview. If you're happy with the creation, you can share it. If you're interested in more useful content, check out filmora.wondershare.com.